In part 2, we will discuss about stocks and mutual funds. Let's see what is an equity. That is shares of a company. So, how do we run a business? We run a business by accumulating funds. So, how do we do it? Either we do it by own money or by taking loans, or by both is also possible. So, equity is nothing but the owner's capital in the business. So by buying shares, we are becoming a owner of a company. So equity investing has generated higher returns historically than any other asset classes in the long run, and this we have already seen in the previous slide. So from 1980 to 2024, Sensex has grown from 100 to 80,000. So it has given a 18% compounded annual return. Now let's see how to invest in stocks or equities. Here there are two ways. One way is by directly investing in companies. Here, the investor must have awareness about the business fundamentals, quarterly reports. Then they have to do analysis of the macroeconomic conditions in the market. The other way is through mutual funds. Here multiple investor money is given to a fund house, and inside this fund house there are so many professionals, and these professionals are headed by a fund manager. And then this fund manager invests in stocks, golds, and bonds, and they generate returns, and this returns is then given to an investor. So for doing this activity, we pay some expense we need to pay. So like if we get 15% return, we will pay back maybe 1 or 2% to the fund house. Example of fund houses are SBI Mutual Fund, HDFC Mutual Fund, ICICI Prudential, Parag Parikh, Motilal Oswal. Like this, there are some 45 companies are there. Mutual fund industry is regulated by SEBI. Mutual fund industry, there are many categories. They have divided into many categories. Around 31 categories are there, and these category rules and regulations are framed by SEBI. So SEBI decides the category, and in this you have a large cap, mid cap, hybrids, bonds, etc. In the mutual fund industry, there are around 45 companies. So what these companies do is they operate and launch the mutual funds in 31 different categories. So in total, what we have is we have around 2,500 funds are offered as of now, which is growing at a rapid pace after COVID. So selecting something from this 2,500 funds is bit difficult, and you need to have good knowledge. So the choice for an investor is huge, huge. So many choices are given. So it is very difficult to evaluate these funds.